chemistry, pharmacology, toxicology approach. The fruitful evolution of complex theory via medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, toxicology approach. The framework of electronic device from single molecular building blocks, which has particular tasks like switching or rectifying and are connected via atomic standard wires on a helping surface, is an important target of molecular electronics. Pursuing a number of defeats in clinical improvement of analgesic medications, experiential clinical aid protocols have been improved for supplying early clinical evidence of notion within the frontiers of a stage 1 clinical experiment design. More newly, mechanism-established models have improved to include systems pharmacology notions and as like are being implemented to depict illness procedures. There has been a quick proliferation of diverse kinds of nanomaterials with novel merits, presenting extraordinary chances in diverse implementations like in implantable devices, vivo cancer diagnosis, gene delivery systems, and medication delivery systems. Once a goal has been determined, the next stage in the medication invention pipeline is to improve a therapeutic that modifies the goal in a particular behavior. Toxic agents, especially those that do their works with a large deal of specificity, occasionally work by receptors where they bind with elevated affinity. This event related to receptor-mediated toxicity.